welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing cold starts of the Z900, the FJR1300, and the KLR650s. So the bike's been sitting for about almost a month now without getting started, and it's about 32 degrees out, so about 0 Celsius. So let's see how these fire up. We're going to start with the Z900, fuel injected. Run for a little bit, letting it warm up to running temp. Alright, so that was the 2017 Z900. Let's move on to the Yamaha FJR1300. FJR1300 cold start. We're going to head over and start the KLRs now. Carburetor, that's going to be fun. Alright, so this is the 2009 KLR650 carburetor. Let's give this one a shot. Get the choke on. Make sure it's in neutral. Not bad, that's actually a lot better than what it usually does in this cold temp. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that short video of just the cold starts of the fuel injected and carb bikes. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.